Hi guys, in this tutorial video I will show you how to reset game files on Steam. If you're ready, let's begin. The first step is to open Steam and click on Library in the menu at the top left. Next, find the game whose files you want to reset in the list on the left and right-click on it. Then, open Properties. Click the Installed Files tab. Then click the Verify Integrity of Game Files button. The duration of this process varies depending on the size of the game you have chosen. So, what does the process of verifying the integrity of game files do? It finds and re-downloads missing game files, it detects and fixes corrupted files, and it replaces incorrect or modified files with the original ones. I hope this step-by-step guide on how to reset game files on Steam was helpful. If it was, you can subscribe to the Error Slayer YouTube channel and like the video. Have a good day.